Hi there. I am representing webtrackofficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can make your website multilingual using WordPress and Linguise. This video is sponsored by the good people at Linguise. Today we're going to be translating our website using Linguise plugin, so let me first give you a brief introduction about it. Linguise translates your website into over 85 languages with unlimited and instant translations. It's super easy to use and implement. It's really important that you have several languages available, especially when you have users coming in from all over the world. I tested out this plugin before and it's a great plugin. With the Linguise plugin, you can increase your website traffic with instant translations. They offer pixel-perfect translation service that can be accessed from your website's front end and can be done in just a matter of minutes. With Linguise, you can translate all major CMS like WordPress, Shopify and many more. Like I said earlier, you can increase your website traffic with instant translations. The translations will be SEO optimized automatically so you don't have to worry about anything. Linguise will handle everything. Let's just say that you make changes to your website. You must be thinking, do I need to translate manually now? The answer is no. Once your website's content is updated, its translations are instantly added automatically. I already like this plugin. One more thing, is that you can manage all your multilingual website content from one dashboard, which is amazing. Now they are offering 1 month free trial without putting in any credit card. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and let's sign up. These are the pricing plans. Prices are based on the volume of translated words. But before making a decision, let me show you how amazing this plugin really is. Scroll above and click Register and Translate Now button. Now you can simply sign up with your Google or Microsoft account, which is really quick, or you can either sign up using email address. I am going to sign up using Google. Click Continue and your account will be created. Here my account is created. Now let's configure some basic settings. First of all, enter in your domain URL on which you're going to be testing out the plugin. Below, choose your CMS. WordPress it is. My base language for the website is English. Let's select English. Now this is the fun part. You can choose as many languages you want for translations, and Linguise will do the job for you. For this video, I am going to be translating only into one language, but choice is all yours. You can always add or remove languages from the dashboard later on. Translate URL, keep it to yes unless you don't want all of the pages translated. And keep the last setting as it is. Click Next. Final step before you can check out the translations. You need to connect your website with Linguise server, so click on this link to install the Linguise plugin. Click Download to download the plugin. We need to connect our website with the Linguise, so let's install the plugin and connect it. From your WordPress dashboard, under Plugins, click Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Now locate your file and click Install Now. Click Activate Plugin. Now from the left sidebar, new menu item will be available. Click Linguise menu item. Now in order to connect the website, Let's copy the API key from the Linguise dashboard and paste it here. Click Apply. And your website is now officially connected. Now if you noticed, all the settings have been imported as well. The languages we selected and all that stuff. Now if you want to add language switcher automatically and don't want to place it manually, make sure this option is enabled. Below are the appearance settings for the language switcher. Pop-up is fine for me. You can set its position where you want it to appear. Bottom right is also okay. These options indicate that in the switcher, both the flags and the language name will appear. If you want short names, you can enable this option. But flags are good enough for representation of its country. Rest are the settings you can explore on your own. Once you're done with your configuration, click Save Settings. Now let's talk about translations. First let's see how the language switcher looks on the front end. See the bottom right corner, here is the language switcher. Base language is English as we selected. And if we click it, here you'll see all of your selected translation languages. As you can see, the Chinese language is working perfectly fine. Each and every content has been translated. That's the beauty of this plugin, that it applies everything on its own. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's just say that you want to change the translation for any sentence or paragraph. How can you do that? I'll show you how. Well, from your dashboard, click Translations menu item, and click Translations again. Here you'll see the list of all your website's translation, which you can edit as well, of course. There is the pagination for several pages that you can check translation for. Let's say I want to change translation for this phrase right here. Let's copy the phrase. I am going to use Google Translate just to be accurate since I don't know the Chinese language. Type in Google Translate. Set the input language to English. And output language to Chinese. Now just paste the phrase. And here's the translation. This is just to show you how you can edit the translations. Although Linguise is pretty accurate itself. Copy the translation, and now go back. Click Edit along with the very first translated text. Now just paste in your translation that you want to change or edit. The translation goes into the last section to override the existing translation. Once you're done, just click Save and you're done. You can edit as many translations as you want. Live Editor helps you to directly edit the translations in your website. To check out the Live Editor, click Live Editor menu item from above. If at some point, you feel like you need help in setting up the plugin, you can always watch their tutorials as well. And now click Open Live Editor button. Here, choose the language you want to translate your website in Live Editor mode. Since I have only one language, so I am going to click on Translate button. When you select the language, your website will automatically be translated into the selected language, and you just have to tweak the translations, if you would like. To edit the website, hover your cursor on that element and you'll see this border to select the element. Click to select the desired element. It will open up the visual editor for you. Click the little pencil icon to edit. Now in the third tab, you can override the existing translation by entering in your own. Once you're done, click Save. As you can see, each and every element is editable, and you can then easily edit translations. To apply rules, click Rules menu item. Click Add New Rule button. Let me show you what rules can be added and why you need them. Under Type, we have 5 types of rules to choose from. First we have Text Ignore. If you do not want particular words to be translated, you can specify them below. Text Replace allows to replace some text by the translation you want. Content Exclusion will help you to avoid the translation of some content in the page. This option will help you to set pages you do not want to translate. And finally, Ignore Inline means each tag will be translated separately. That's pretty straightforward and you can use them when you feel like. Whatever option you go with, you'll see it as relevant fields below. I am gonna add the company name here since I don't want it to be translated. By checking Ignore Case button, the word you entered will not be translated even if it is in all caps or capitalization. You can apply rules to all URLs or you can specify them. You can select specific language where you want the rule to apply or select all languages. There's nothing to explain here. This is pretty straightforward and elaborate. Just when you're done, hit save and your rule will become active. To be honest, I really like the Linguise plugin and the service they provide. Translate your entire website in any language. Furthermore, the free trial will help you understand how to set up the translations, including appearances, rules, and much more. You can download the plugin from my affiliate link below. It's completely risk-free. Now if this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.